Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Studio. In this video I want to tell you guys the method to get a student mail having all student benefits, such as Office 365 education, and much more. The best thing is that you will receive your confirmation email within half an hour. But make sure to watch complete video. Follow all steps, otherwise you will get stuck. So without any further ado, let's get started. All the information provided on this channel are for educational purposes only. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. The channel is no way responsible for any misuse of the information. So first of all, you need a VPN with United States servers. All the data, all the details, all websites, all links will be available in my blogspot, so make sure to check that out as well. Link in the description. So open your VPN and connect it to United States. After that, open your browser and go to this college website. From here you have to apply for admission. So simply watch the video carefully and follow all steps. Click on Apply Now. Here you can see there are 3 colleges. You can apply for any one. All have same procedure. And you will receive EduMail within half an hour for anyone here. Now you have to create an account. Just follow my steps carefully. If you do so, I will guarantee you that you will receive your student in a day. In order to create an account, you have put all the required details. So just follow my steps carefully and you can easily be able to do so. For SSN, go to SAN generator site and select the same state for which you are putting your address. For email, you have to use supported email providers, like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. You cannot use temp mails, because these are blocked now. Previously these are working. For address, you can use Zillow site. Which is best for any address. Here you can search any address using city name or state, or zip code. In academic details, just follow my steps carefully. Put your academic details carefully as of me. So just follow me and your account will be ready to go. Finally, submit your application. You will receive your confirmation email within half an hour. As video gets too lengthy, I have split it into 2 parts. Make sure to watch its part 2. Link is available in the description. And in the cards as well. So that's for all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Comment if face any error. Subscribe for more amazing content like these. Peace out.